Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Friday, February 27, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, David.
How are you today?
I am fine, thanks. And you?
I am a little tired. I need this coffee.
Me too. It is a very busy week.
Yes, it is. I have many emails to answer.
I understand. I have a big project to finish.
Is the coffee machine working well?
Yes, it is working. The coffee is hot.
That is good. I need energy.
So, David, did you read the news this week?
Yes, I read some articles on my phone.
There is a lot of news this week.
Did you see the article in the New York Times?
Which one?
The one from February 23.
No, I did not see it. What is it about?
It is about fast food in California.
Oh, really? What is happening in California?
The article says they want to ban human cashiers.
Ban human cashiers? That is strange.
Yes, they want to use only AI and robots in fast food restaurants.
That is a big change. Why do they want to do that?
The newspaper says it is for efficiency. Robots are faster.
But what about the jobs?
That is the problem. Many people are angry.
I can understand that. People need jobs.
But think about it, Alex. No waiting in line.
Yes, that is true. But I like talking to a person.
I prefer speed. I want my burger in 2 minutes.
You are always in a hurry, David.
Time is money, Alex, especially in sales.
But is it fair for the workers?
The article says the companies save money.
Of course. Companies always want to save money.
Do you think this will happen here?
I do not know. Maybe in 5 or 10 years.
I think it is the future. Technology is everywhere.
Yes, but sometimes technology is too much.
I like technology. It makes life easy.
It makes life easy. But it also makes life complicated.
You worry too much, Alex.
Maybe. I just think about the people.
Well, speaking of money and technology, did you see the Wall Street Journal?
Do you mean the article from February 24?
Yes, exactly. About the new currency.
Yes, I read that. It is very interesting.
It is a little scary to me.
Why is it scary?
They want to merge the digital euro and the digital pound.
Yes. They want a unified digital currency by 2028.
That is only 2 years from now.
It is a plan for the economy. It helps trade.
But what about physical cash? I like paper money.
The article says physical cash is disappearing.
I do not like that. I want to hold my money.
Digital money is safer, David. You cannot lose it.
But the government can see everything I buy.
That is true. Privacy is a big topic in the article.
I do not want them to know I buy 5 coffees a day.
5 coffees? That is too much coffee, David.
I know, but I need it for my sales calls.
The article says this helps international business.
I guess that is good for our company.
Yes, it is easier to sell products in Europe.
You are right. No exchange rates.
Exactly, it is stable.
But I will miss the old money.
Change is always difficult.
You are very calm about it.
I am a project manager. I like organization.
And I am a sales representative. I like freedom.
Digital currency is efficient. It is just numbers.
I prefer numbers on my commission check, not just on a screen.
You are funny, David.
I try, but seriously, is it safe?
The Wall Street Journal says they have new security.
I hope so. I do not want hackers to take my money.
We use credit cards now. It is similar.
I suppose so, but it feels different.
It is the future of economics.
First robots in fast food, now digital money.
The world is changing very fast.
Too fast for me. I am getting old.
You are not old, David. You are just traditional.
Maybe. I like simple things.
Speaking of simple things, did you see the news on CNN?
The one about TV?
Yes, the article from February 26.
Oh, that makes me very angry.
I knew you would say that.
It is ridiculous. Did you read the details?
Yes, streaming services want to charge extra fees.
Extra fees for binge watching? Can you believe it?
The article says if you watch more than 3 episodes.
Yes. If I watch 4 episodes, I pay more.
They say it is for health reasons.
Health reasons? No, it is for profit.
Well, sitting for 5 hours is not healthy.
But it is my weekend. I want to relax.
The article says people watch too much TV.
But I pay for the subscription already.
They call it a wellness fee.
That is a terrible name. It is a money fee.
I think it is interesting. Maybe people will go outside more.
I do not want to go outside. I want to watch my series.
But David, 3 episodes is a lot. That is 3 hours.
Sometimes I watch 6 episodes on Sunday.
Wow, that is a long time.
It is my way to relax after a hard week.
I understand. But the companies need to make money?
They have enough money. This is greedy.
The CNN article says production costs are high.
So they charge the customer? That is not fair.
It is a controversial strategy.
Do you think people will pay?
I think people are addicted to TV. They will pay?
I will not pay. I will stop at 3 episodes.
See, it works. You will be healthier?
No, I will just switch to a different app.
But all the big companies are doing it.
Then I will read books.
That is a good idea. Books are free at the library.
You always see the positive side, Alex.
I try to be optimistic.
So let's review our week.
Okay, what do we have?
Robots are taking jobs in California.
Digital money is replacing cash in Europe?
And I have to pay to watch my favorite show.
It sounds like a difficult week for you.
It is a difficult week for the world.
But we have coffee.
Yes, we have coffee and we have jobs.
Exactly, we are lucky.
How is your project going today?
It is going well. I have a meeting at 10.
Is it a long meeting?
I hope not. Maybe 1 hour.
I have to call 5 clients this morning.
Do you think they will buy?
I hope so. I need to reach my target.
You are a good salesman. You can do it.
Thank you, Alex. You are very kind.
And you are very entertaining.
I try to keep the office happy.
It works. The coffee break is the best part of the day.
I agree, but look at the time.
Oh no. It is almost 9 o'clock.
My boss is waiting for the report.
And my team is waiting for the plan.
We must go back to work.
Yes, duty calls.
Let's hope for better news next week.
Maybe next week will be quiet.
I hope so. No more surprises.
Have a good day with your clients, David.
Good luck with your meeting, Alex.
See you later.
See you at lunch, maybe?
Yes, let's meet at 1.
Perfect. Bye for now.
Goodbye, David.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.